Assalamu alaikum. I am going to make Spanish omelette. I will add the ingredients. First ingredient here is potato cut into normal pieces, and there are 2 medium onions cut into pieces. Eggs. I will use 6 eggs in 2 omelettes. Here another ingredient is green chili cut into pieces. These are some spices. These are optional. If you don't like spicy omelette, you can avoid this. This is salt, red chili powder, and some black peppers, cloves mixed into it. Some turmeric powder. This one is also optional. Green peas. And these are coriander leaves. This is also optional. And some tomato ketchup and garlic paste. Here is the second step. In second step, this is a portion of oil I will use. After heating the oil, potatoes and onion together. Almost golden brown. This is our mixture. This is ready, and now I will make it here. A bit of oil. I will add some eggs. These are some spices. Garlic paste. I will beat this. I will add a half of this into the bowl for one omelette. Very low flame. It is not cooked. I have one more child. You're the President of the United States. Let us go back. Yeah. Now I have to flip this omelette. This is our golden brown Spanish omelette.